Okay guys, so today we're going to be doing the alphabet makeup challenge. The first person I saw do this was James Charles, and I saw the video today, like right now. It looks so fun the way he was doing it, and like the way it was working out, that I'm like, I want to do it. And so I literally just sat in front of the camera and I'm like, I'm gonna do this. Let me get it done. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. The way he did it is that he wrote down all his steps on the side of his screen so that everybody could see like exactly how he does his little makeup routine, because everybody has their own makeup routine, right? And so like I have mine, so I also wrote mine down and then I alphabetized it, and so I'm going to be doing kind of something similar like him so you guys can follow along. Prime my eyes, eyeshadow, I wipe underneath my eyes, usually like the eyeshadow fall out, I curl my lashes, I apply lashes, I apply mascara, foundation, concealer, powder, eyebrows, brow gel, eyeliner, blush, highlight, lip liner, lipstick, lip gloss, and setting spray. Okay, so the first thing that we have to do is blush. Okay, so the blush that we're going to be applying is Worldly Wealth, and this is one of my favorite MAC blushes. So I'm going to apply that on the apples of my cheeks like I normally would. Okay, so after my blush, I have to do my brow gel. This is like so opposite. Brow gel. Okay, so I'm applying the brow gel on my brows that have no hair. After the brow gel is concealer. And I feel like in James' video, he had so much to talk about. I have like nothing to talk about because I'm just like, what is this even gonna look like by the time I'm done? I'm so focused on what this is gonna look like. It's like covering the blush. What a disaster. Okay. Okay, so after concealer, the next thing on my list is to curl my lashes. So I'm going to be using my Tarte eyelash curler to do this next step. Then the next thing is my eyebrows, which I usually do my brows literally like when I'm almost done my entire face. So, ooh, my hair's so frizzy out here in these streets. So I guess this is what my brows look like. Remember that I just put brow gel on them and I could feel myself like wiping away the brow gel as I fill them in. Am I allowed to like clean them up with concealer? Because technically that's part of my brow routine. So you know what? Yeah, I am allowed. Okay, I just feel like it just feels super incomplete because I always set it with brow gel. Okay, whatever. So after my eyebrows, it says I have to apply eyeliner. So we're in the E's now. So I'm gonna go in with my black. Oh, actually, this is the color I chose. I chose a really pretty copper color from Pixie. Okay, and because my concealer is not set, you can kind of see a fingerprint right there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyes without priming my lids. I guess that's coming later. I'm just not gonna do anything crazy because for what? I'm gonna use the Milani palette that I have, and I'm just gonna use this color right here, and I'll mix them. I'll use this and kind of do a one color swipe on my lid like this. Like that. And do the other eye. I'm just gonna grab a clean blending brush and kind of just smooth the harsh lines. Okay, so after shadow, it's foundation. So I'm gonna go in with my Face and Body foundation, and I'm just gonna start applying that all over everything that I've done already. I'm not used to putting foundation on when my brows are already done. I always put my foundation on first having to go extra slow to make sure I don't like jack these up. I already did. What? Is that even blended? Oh my gosh. What is that? Okay, so that is the foundation. I just applied it everywhere and I covered up like the blush and all of that, which kind of still seeps through because the foundation is not full coverage. It's very sheer. It's the Face and Body, which is very sheer water-based foundation. And then after foundation we have highlight. So for highlight we're gonna be using the Pretty Vulgar highlight in Shimmering Swan. Okay. After highlight, it's for lashes. So I'm going to be using the Ardell Demi Wispy lashes, and I'm going to go ahead and apply those. My under eye is creasing and it's so gross. Okay, let me apply these lashes now. Ah, don't blink, Kaylin. God. Okay. Perfect. You're not hungry, Papi. Why you always want to eat something? You just ate. It's only when I'm filming. It's only when I'm filming. Okay, guys. So the next step is lip gloss. Okay, I'm gonna use my Tarte lip gloss and double tap. And then lip liner is next. So I'm gonna be using Stripdown from MAC as my lip liner. Here he comes again. Okay, and then the next one would be lipstick. Some of the lipstick is Bred Brown by MAC. We have M. Is there any M's? Oh, mascara. Okay, not too bad. Mascara. After mascara, we're gonna do powder. Finally, this is what I've been like waiting for. So I'm gonna have to like kind of blend this concealer out because it's already settled into all my fine lines, and because my concealer wasn't set, even my mascara has like transferred down there. Just a nice sweaty mess here. Let me go ahead and start applying it, and I'm trying not to get it on the mascara. After I put a powder, you guys see how it's like all matte right here and then shiny right here? There's like no way that I could even blend that either. And then after the powder, it says prime eyes. Alright, so I'm gonna prime my eyes with my MAC paint pot in Laying Low. So when I prime my eyes, I just kind of apply that all over my lids. And I'll always blend it upwards, so that kind of takes away all my shadow. Setting spray is the next one. Guess what the last step is? Wiping underneath my eyes. I always do my eyeshadows first before anything. And I always wipe underneath my eyes to remove any eyeshadow fallout that may have happened. So I guess that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wipe underneath my eyes the way I do when I do my eyeshadow looks, so that I can remove any excess powder. Yeah, I can't post this. It just looks stupid. Oh my god. Could blend this out and make it look better. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Well, anyways, it doesn't even matter. I had so much fun doing this challenge, and hopefully I get to see more of them because this challenge is not anywhere. I looked everywhere and literally the only person that's made it so far is James Charles, and I guess other people, Nikki Tutorials is supposed to upload hers too. I don't know. But anyways, I wanted to try it. I hope other people try it too, because it's funny to see like people's routines and then see what they have to end up doing. In my case, it was unfortunate. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.